Now we will see some of the tools over here. So we will start with the place smart line tool. So you need to select that. Once you select that, you are available with this kind of toolbox. So in this tool, we can able to select multiple options. So for example, segment type lines or arcs, vertex type we have sharp, rounded or chamfered, and we can able to put the values over here also. For example, lines, I am just going for a sharp now, so we can't able to put any offset, and it is like a join element. So I will try to put some line. For example, 20. So you need to put a 20 in the keyboard, and then you can able to see here how it is changing. So you click outside, it will take that value. So it is automatically coming. Here we have that option. So again it will come automatically 20. You can just click like that. So this is like a sharp. So when I'm just taking rounded, and we can able to put the value over here. For example, 5. So again it is taking 20 as usual. Otherwise you can put 30. So you click outside, it will take that. So again it will automatically taking 30. So 30 again. So it is just taken rounded. So it's similar to AutoCAD fillet. Now I am just going for chamfered. So I am just going to put 40 now. So if you want to change also, you can change. 20 I am putting. So again 40. And you can close like this. This is like a AutoCAD chamfer. So here also we have the same feature as chamfer, and we need to put the values over here. Now because of this join element, altogether it joined. So now I am just removing the joint element, and I am just going for sharp. Now I am just going to draw like this. So you need to escape one. You need to click escape one to escape out of the command. So here we can able to see just separate lines, because we used without a join option, but here it is like a one single entity. So that option we have join elements. So we will try with the arc also. So arc I have sharp. So for example, I just want arc somewhere here. So like this I'm just drawing one arc. And we also have rounded option, so that we need to try like somewhere. So you can just click like this. So again it is automatically taking C, and you can able to place. So can you able to see here we got a rounded radius. So chamfered, and with segment type I am using arc. So here we have one drop down. When you click that, you are available with these options also. Smart line placement settings, rotate AccuDraw to segments, always start in line mode. So which means like it is like a rotate. If it is not like this, what it will be? See, it is not rotating. So Acudra is not rotating. That's the thing. So you can put it and you can just go for sharp. See, it is just rotating now. So I'm just removing it. So Acudra is not rotating. So this kind of differences we can able to see by clicking the options, by checking the options.